May I take your order?
Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss.Netanda, and if you use this channel, hey love. First things first, I just went in with this Catris HD Active Performance Hydrating Primer. It's in matte, so I just thought I should try this matte primer. And so far, so good. I just like the way my under eye doesn't crease when I use this primer, and it helps a lot with creasing, and it keeps the makeup smooth. And then I just went in with my two foundations. I mixed two foundations, which are Passion Pro and Maybeline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 64, which is chestnut. I just think it's a bit lighter. And then I just did my eyebrows. I just recently started doing my eyebrows after, so yeah. So here I just basically used two shades of concealers. I didn't even use a concealer. I used a foundation, Evan Power Stay Foundation, at the end of my brow, just like that. You know, with makeup, you have to blend. You have to blend your concealers and, make sure that they were blended so you can properly pack your eyeshadow. So here, I'm basically just carving out my outer eyebrow, and then, yeah. Basically just highlighting here underneath my eyes and in the middle of the nose, on the forehead just a little bit, and also on your, I don't know what they call that, but yeah. Then I just went in with my Yardley bronzing powder on my eyelids, so I used that for an eyeshadow, and then also used this compact powder from Passion Pro as my eyeshadow. And then, yeah, just basically blended that in just like that. And then I went in with my colored eyeshadow. Only did I just left a smaller space in between the, yeah, it's just like this. You'll just follow on. There's literally nothing to explain here. It's just self-explanatory. So that remember when I told you I left a space for later on? This is later on. This is later on where I have to put a shimmer in between the space that I left earlier on. So this just helps, to let the shimmer shine on its own. So yeah, this is a close-up of how the shimmer looks like. And I just love how this shimmer is shimmery. And then I went in with the same eyeshadow color that I was using to just blend that shimmer in, and just, yeah. Then now we're blending out the highlight concealer, and yeah, just follow through with this. There's really nothing to explain here. Yeah, and then after here I went in with the color that I used for my eyeshadow underneath my eye on my waterline. So that's just how it looks from far. Because I went in with a low-toned shade, I'm just gonna use the lightest shade to highlight, yeah. And then use a pencil to just emphasize that underline. Then blend. You gotta blend, in fact. You gotta blend. There's no any other thing I could tell you. Blend your makeup. Because you're done blending out, now we're gonna contour. This is contouring. This is how contouring looks like. If it's not like this, then I don't know. I don't know what you're doing. But this is just how I contour, because this is how my face looks like. So you're gonna have to contour according to how your face looks like. And yeah. I'm still here. So yeah, I'm just blending out the contour, and then now I'm using this MAC Fix Studio powder. I'm not sure what the name is, but I'll link it down below. So I'm basically just using that to sit under my eyes and on my concealer. I figured how to use the sponge, the triangle part, that's how you use it. And then I'm now going in with the bronzing powder. The bronzing powder to just contour or emphasize the nose contour. So yeah, just follow through and ithute makeup o tlo go nna letlapa. And for those who don't know what baking is, this is basically what I'm doing. I'm baking under my eyes. So this is baking, and yeah. And yeah, I know I got long lashes. The reason why I didn't put lashes on is because I hate lashes. I don't hate lashes. I just don't know how to install lashes on my own natural lash, because yeah, they that long, and then installing like lashes, it just looks somehow. It doesn't look nice. So I just used a mascara, the Essence Big Lash Mascara. I'll just make sure to link everything in the description box. So now I'm just doing eyeliner. So you gotta be careful when it comes to those things, because you can just and then on your eye. So you just basically need to be careful when it comes to this. When you got that perfect line, leave it alone. Don't touch it. Get it, but you would wanna perfect it, but just leave it as is, because so yeah. You know, I got this idea of using an orange blush, and guess what? Amazing. Like, I love this orange look. Then I just went in with a liner. So this is just the brow liner that I use, but I use it for my lips. So yeah, it works. And then I highlight it. And then we're done. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And as much as I loved shooting it, so please make sure that you subscribed, you liked, and you commented. Leave a heart if you don't know what to say. So thank you so much for tuning in, and bye.